frequently asked questions about the Kollmorgen AKD-P00306-NBEC-0000 servo drive. What is the nominal current of this drive? This AKD has a nominal current of 3 amps. What is the drive's peak output current? The peak output current is 9 amps. What field bus communication options does the drive support? This AKD supports EtherCAT field bus communication. How much does this drive weigh? This drive weighs 1.1 kilograms. What is the operating temperature range? The operating temperature range is 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Kollmorgen drive sales and replacements.